All right, we back Poke hunting, late night edition, out here in Stockton, over here in Lincoln Plaza. We're gonna see probably some people hanging out in here. I would not be surprised. It's Friday night. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's nobody at the machine. What? That's shocking. Let's see what we got. Moment of truth. Oh, got Destined Rivals. All right, let's go ahead and grab this. Get the email. Huh? Oh, I just got it was a booster pack. It was just a single pack. Yeah. I left my card in the car, but we're gonna see. All right, so I got the Destined Rival pack. Let's see what else we get. Nothing. That's it. We got a Destined Rival pack. Better than nothing. All right, we out.